What's going on, guys? Welcome back to GeeHankVlogs. Sorry that I've been gone a while. I'm back and I'm in a very cool place with something pretty cool happening behind me there. Let's go back, let me show you guys. So right now I am actually at MRC Performance. This is the new building, the new space. It's still very much a work in progress. This is your official sneak peek of what's going on behind the scenes. But right now Amin is actually just doing a quick dyno pull on this car. Let me take my mask off, hopefully you guys can hear me a bit better. Sorry about the fan noise. But we got this beautiful, let's have a quick listen there at the back. So right now we have this beautiful M4 that Amin's gonna do a quick dyno pull on. So let's check it out, let's see what type of numbers he's gonna shake. Figure, what are we at? 370.3 kilowatts and 740 newton meters. 370.3 kilowatts and 740 newton meters. Nice. Okay, so that was the first pull after the car was standing for a while. So let's see what it does on its next pull. Hopefully we can pump those numbers up a bit, son. Those are rookie numbers, man. So actually, while we're waiting for him to do that next run, next pull, let me try and explain to you guys what exactly Amin does over here, because he's a bit camera shy and so am I, truth be told. I hate having to speak to a camera. As you can see, I'm walking away from everybody behind me. It kind of just happens, but anyways, that's besides the point. Basically here at MRC, they pretty much specialize in all things VAG. So we're talking like Audi, VW, that sort of thing. So it's the MRC tuning, software tuning. They do hardware mods, they do cool noises like that as well. Customer car at the moment, RS3. So and like I said, they're also busy setting up the space at the moment. Can you see it's very much a work in progress. There's bricks still laying over there. There's a lot of stuff that still needs to happen here right now. But I mean, we still got downpipes and the sort over here stock. So things are going to be happening, and you guys are going to see a lot more content coming from me in this space, because I'm actually going to be helping them out with their social media as well. So this was actually a bit of a business visit, but I thought, you know what, let me give you guys a sneak peek and just show you a little bit of what's going on and what you can expect to see from the MRC channel that will be coming at a later stage. Don't worry, stay tuned for that day. But for right now, let's see what we got going on. I mean, hard at work doing tappy thingies on his laptop there. Plus. Fully equipped dyno. It's a four-wheel drive dyno, because he does a lot of quattro cars obviously, but obviously it's rear-wheel mode now. What's going to happen over here is I do believe they're actually going to have a totally closed off dyno room, a dyno cell of sorts. So this is probably the only time where you're actually going to see this dyno like this, as open as it is right now. He's got some pretty cool plans for the shop, and I'm excited to show you guys what he's going to be doing. It's going to be sick. Trust me, it's going to be sick. Okay, so guys, I just want to explain something to you. I dead ass thought this was a stock standard family car that's just in for like a normal service or something. What you're looking at right now is a 11.5 second car. It's a 64-year-old guy that owns this vehicle, and he's pushing to break into the 10s. So it's back here for an ethanol tune. They're gonna try and extract some more power out of the 5-pot. What the hell, dude? What the hell? Look at it. Stock standard. Nothing's been stripped out. That is awesome. That is amazing. RS3, sick. Anyways, Aminos wanted to show me this TTRS. Oh dear Lord. Check this intake. Oh dude, they got the Venturi intake in there. Sick. Wow. Check this TTRS out, guys. Dude. Carbon fiber, everything. This intake though. If you know, you know. These things are sick. So, show what the guys are doing. Full carbon fiber wing as well. Dude, this thing is sick. This thing is dope. Man. So very clearly another absolute weapon being built over here. I'm sorry, it's really hot today. I'm sweating like a pig. I will freely admit that. But right now, update on the M4. What they're gonna do is they're just gonna pop the air filters off and try and do another run, because it's basically at its peak of what it can do right now. He says the only other way the car's gonna pick up more power is if it has an ethanol tune. Then the client does want to go ethanol, but I think for now they're just gonna try and take off the stock intakes and see if it picks up a little bit more. So let's see. Okay, here we go, round 2. Let's see what it does. Let's see. 362.2 kilowatts and 701 newton meters. Sorry if I'm not showing you guys that curve. I don't want to get into Armin's way. The mad scientist right there, hard at work. It's basically stock. It only has downpipes and the tune that Armin is busy working on right now. They talk it's 400 kilowatts. So 100% the car sounds angry, it sounds on point. But like I said, they're trying to break the 400 kilowatt mark because that's what the client saw on another dyno somewhere else, but we won't get into that. But so far I think the best Armin has managed is sorry, I'm so close, dude. Let's see, 373 and 711, so it's picked up a little bit. So that's let me show you guys again, 373 kilowatts for 711 newton meters. That is still not bad for a car that just has downpipes, still stock exhaust, not even any intakes, mind you, just downpipes and a tune. That's not bad. But ethanol will definitely get to that mark, 100% ethanol. Thank you, the fans are off finally. So yeah, no, definitely adding some F to this car will make a massive difference to that power gain. But yeah, that's where it is right now, and still 100% guaranteed it's gonna be one hell of a fun drive out on the road with that power figure. So a few other things I do want to show you guys here in the shop, and what I'm actually what's in front of me right now is the things I will do to this car or with this car. Dude, it is super good, it is super dope, and this is what it is. And it's not just any RS3, don't get it twisted for one damn second. This thing is a monster. Just take you guys around here, get it over everything. This is Armin's personal car, and it is one hell of a machine. And as you can see, he is repping his brand, no doubt, MRC Tuning. And I can't remember the best quarter mile time off the top of my head, but I know this thing is stupid quick, like seriously. But yeah, who knows, maybe we'll do a video with this car one day, but for now, look at it. So guys, let me just wrap this up. I think that will about do it for today's episode. Proudly brought to you by MRC. But yeah, no, like I said, we'll be seeing a lot more of this workshop in upcoming videos. And I just want to put it out there that it doesn't specialize in BMW. Don't get it twisted, it's something you can do, but these things, if you have one of these and you want to go stupidly fast, this is the man you need to come to. If you have a RS3, if you have a TTRS, even if you have a TTS, if you have a RSQ3, any Audi, any VW product, bring it around to Armin. He will sort you out. He's got the dyno facilities, he's got the tuning facilities. This man knows his stuff. I guarantee you that he knows his stuff. And if you do, the records speak for themselves. If you get any of the drag racing records and you just go through some of the lists, like especially with the factory cars and whatever, some of the quickest cars on those lists are MRC cars. So this is a place you want to come to. I mean, like I said, look at it. This 65-year-old owner, 100% stock standard outside, and he is on the verge of dipping into the 10s on the quarter mile. That is just nuts. Imagine a opa, a grandpa, gapping you from robot to robot in this thing. That is awesome. But anyways, yeah, I think that'll do it for me for today, for this episode, guys. If you have not already yet, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm sorry I have to give that whole YouTube spiel to you, even though I don't really want to. But yeah, it really does go a long way. It helps my channel and really does cost you absolutely nothing to do. But yeah, until the next time, have an awesome afternoon, guys, and have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next one.